Hello, my favorite juniors. By now you've probably realized that I haven't been on campus for a couple days. And although I would have loved to have had this conversation in person, unfortunately it didn't happen that way. As you guys know, I've been pregnant since last school year, and baby Logan is due hopefully around October 13th, give or take. And given that due date, my doctor and I anticipated that I would probably be able to continue working until about the 27th of September, so probably had about another month left to work. However, on Tuesday I went to a very normal, regular, routine checkup to see how my pregnancy was going, and given the results, the doctor felt that it was best and important for me to start my maternity leave now in order to make sure that my body was properly resting and properly getting the adequate nutrition and stress-free environment needed to continue having a healthy pregnancy. With that being said, my last day at work was on Monday, which means that I will not be returning to campus until I'm done with my maternity leave second semester, most likely sometime around March. I'm really sad that we weren't able to officially say goodbye, but I know you guys understand. I will be thinking of you guys and wishing you the best first semester in junior seminar. If you have any questions regarding the seminar curriculum or content, definitely be sure to speak to your sub directly. And if your sub's not able to answer those questions, your next best bet would be to reach out either to Mrs. Albarran, which is another 11th grade seminar teacher, or Miss Doss, which is another 11th grade seminar teacher. If they're unable to answer your questions or guide you, then your best opportunity would be Miss Lyles, who is in charge of the seminars. Keep in mind that the goal for seminars is to give you a space to continue to expand your DOL portfolio, practice certain skills like current event analysis, typing club, help you catch up on homework or increasing your grades through academic consultancy and study hall. And so I just really want to remind you and push you to really use that seminar space wisely as a way to grow yourself, not just academically, but also when it comes to any type of personal or social skills that you need growth in. Once the baby's born, I'll send you guys some updates, probably via Google Classrooms, some pictures and stuff, and once he's healthy enough and big enough to come on campus, I'll definitely bring him by. But again, have a great first semester. I will miss you guys dearly, but I'll be back second semester. Bye, guys.